Now about 20 to 10. Sun will have gone. That's the sunset obliterated. We've still got the it's a raindrop, it's not a UFO. Still got the orange just spread out a bit where there's gaps in the clouds. The sunset is more behind the church, low down now. Another one broke through. Generally you can see the chemical sky. Over towards the Pennines, there's still that plume over there, that horrible mucky bloody gooey shitty whatever it is there. What the hell. Anyway, that's the general skyline. There we have it. And if it'll focus on this, it wouldn't a minute ago. Right over top at church, there's that dodgy, twisted cloud with all the frequencies in it. That's how it's looking now. And the chems are starting to merge in with the background. They're still there in places where you can see them, but I guess with the sun being behind the dark clouds and lower down, these aren't getting hit with any light, so that's no doubt what is stopping them being so obvious. They're not fading, they're still there. Bright spot appeared on that cloud over there. That little diddy thing, a little put. And that orange down at the bottom, it's got that yucky bloody messy blurred crap. I found that funny, sorry. Just a mess of featureless colour. I think it's the bottom bit's a cloud actually, down there. Don't know about the rest of it, it's just that horrible manky stuff. It's about the only thing that's showing properly now. Still see the other chem in places, but I think it's the light that's affecting it, making it less visible. Right, maybe at that. Through time. It's now about 10 to 10. The chems are barely visible at all. They're still there, but barely visible. I hope that catches it. It's about the only one I can see, but it's all merged into that mess of mess. I mean, the dark clouds are still there, the orangey patch is still there. Look at that friggin' mess, what a disgrace. You know, the people that are doing this and spraying this shit, I don't know, they're soulless, they have no souls, they really haven't. It's so sickening. Heartless, soulless bastards. Anyway, that's it from Darlow for tonight. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a pleasant evening. Hope you have a pleasant Sunday over there in America. You're getting the sun soon. Good night, everyone. All the best.